Today, I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about the Hatch Restore. This thing is absolutely awesome. I've been testing it for about 3 weeks now. I'm going to walk you through everything and kind of answer some questions that I had as well. One of the questions I had, does it have a snooze button? It does have a snooze button. It's right up top here. So a lot of the device right here is going to be controlled by your phone. You're going to set up all your settings in your phone, and then it will push out everything. You don't, it's like set it and forget it. It's absolutely amazing. I will show you the app part in just a second. This is simple. It's plugged in. So it does come with a charger right over here. So you're literally, this is your cord. It does stretch out. If I had to guess, maybe it's like 2-ish, 3-ish feet. You literally just plug this in and you're good to go. You're going to plug that in. It's going to start to power on. If you are just getting it, you're going to open your phone. You're going to scan the QR code that comes in the box, and it will tell you everything you need to know. You'll see it says 1:03. That is the time currently making this video, so it picked that up automatically, which is great. The simulation, it will stimulate, so when you wake up, it's going to gradually get lighter to kind of wake you up naturally, like the sun was waking you up. And it also has bedtime routines, which is really cool. Literally, I have a setting on here that says, hey, you know, I want to go to bed, let's just say at 10 p.m. At like, maybe I could set a time. I said at 9:45, please play a sound to let me know it's almost time to go to bed. And it has so many different things. It has almost 80 different sounds that were scientifically tested. It's absolutely crazy. Let's jump into the app and I'll show you exactly how to get this set up. All right, this is what it looks like inside the app right over here. This is kind of my home screen right over here. Really, really nice. You could have everything that you want in here. All right, so this is what it looks like inside my app. It has tonight's plan. You could see here, I could set a cue. So this cue right over here, I'm going to set this for, you have all these different options here. So you could either do a sound, you could change the color of the light if you wanted to. If I wanted mint green, I'm going to do this Salt Lake right over here. So basically what you're doing with this is you're setting a cue for it to go off when you want to be alerted that, hey, it's almost time for bed. So I'm going to set this for 1:10 since it is 1:09 right now, so you can kind of see this go off. So we're just going to hit save up here, and then it's going to save that for us just like that. So we'll have the device right here. It's going to start playing that sound. So when it is time for bedtime, you could set your when do you typically wake up. So I'm trying to wake up at 5:30, so you can see that right over there. So this would probably match, not match this, but this is like kind of my cue to go to bed if that was the case. And then we have all these different options here. So we have our unwind sleep routine. So when it comes to, let's just say I wanted to unwind at 1:10, what I would do is this would be kind of what happens. So you'll see it just turned on. It is 1:10 right now.
Stan, what's that you're doing? Glaring at the lamp again?
See, it's
I did
playing
not
that like
hear
little
you.
sound just like that. So that is how it's getting going. And then it's going to roll into my nighttime routine right over here. You could change these colors on the app, which is really, really nice. And one of the coolest parts about this app is all the options you have. So I have it set up to play this true crime podcast right here. And when you click on this right over here, it goes to that. Now, if I wanted to stop listening to the podcast, I could just hit this button right up here, and it's going to roll into the sound that I want played. And you could definitely do different things with the sounds as well. So you'll see right over here, you could open this up. You want to just do this, and you could have it set. So I could say I want this to play all night. I only want to play for 60 minutes, or I could do a custom. So if I typically fall asleep in about an hour, I don't want the thing on all the time, I have that option as well. Now I'm going to show you all the different options you get with it. All right, in the library, you have a ton of different features that you could do as well. So you have nature, we have music, we have meditation. So you could set up all this stuff and they are organized. So you could have a queue. So this is kind of like, hey, it's time to unwind. And you could pick from all these different ones right here. You could preview them, which is really nice. You could do it on the restore. So it's going to start to play from there. And
It's sleepy
you
time.
can see you have the volume adjustment there as well, or you could turn it all the way down. So you don't need your phone to constantly control it. You have some controls over here as well. And I do like the fact that you have different options for the lights as well. We're going to go back into the library. And so you could see we have also down here, we have we have the unwind feature, so you could do meditations, all sorts of stuff there. In terms of sleep, you could select all these different things. They have stuff that's trending. These are I kind of really like these. These are kind of the more like the nature-ish sounds, which is really nice. So lots of different options to set that up. You could also set the colors too, and the cool part about this is you could also, if you tried to do this, since we already have it set, if I went to hit save, it says, hey, there's a conflict. You already have something scheduled. So you don't have to worry about ever scheduling something at the wrong time or offsetting something. Some other really nice features on this is you can use this as a reading light. So if you want to do that, you could just hit this top right over here. You could change this to a clear light if you wanted to as well. And you could turn it on and off. You wanted to just hold it just like this. That's what's going to take it on and off. You'll see we have the blue light selected. So if we want to just put this on right over here, we could just do that. You'll see you could see the different volumes right over here. And it just plays that music right over there. If you wanted to pause that music, you would just hit this pause button right over here and you don't have to worry about anything. And then if you wanted the light off, you can literally just hold the top right over there and the light is going to go totally off, which is really nice. On the bottom right over here, we got some nice little grippy marks right over there. If you, for whatever reason, you could see this is the Wi-Fi setting over here. That will take care of everything for you. And you have these nice little grippy pads on the bottom so nothing happens to the surface you put it on. Really, really compact. Definitely like this a lot, how it comes out of the box. The directions are super easy to follow. I just really like the fact that this wakes you up naturally. Basically, it gets a little brighter, and eventually you wake up. You have the snooze button. You don't need to use your phone for the snooze button. And obviously, my favorite part about the whole hatch is the app because I am always have like trouble sleeping or whatever. So I could definitely listen to a podcast before. I could listen to all these different sounds. It's great for like noise blocking. If I just kind of wanted kind of an ocean or whatever I wanted, it has it. And this thing basically does it all. It functions as an alarm. It could be a sound dimmer. It could be just for white noise. It's super aesthetically pleasing as well. So if you had an office or something where you wanted a little bit more white noise and didn't want an ugly machine or something, you could definitely go with this. So if you are looking for a way to up your sleep game, have noise cancellation, wake up to a sunrise setting, get better sleep. Basically, a set it and forget it plan. 80 different sounds, so many different colors. Set it, forget it. You are good to go. You'll absolutely love the hatch. I hope you found this video review helpful and thumbs it up if you found it helpful.